I'm here in the kitchen with Chef Suman Hoque, and he's going to teach us how to fillet a fish. And Suman, we've got this beautiful rainbow trout here, and I think a lot of people are really intimidated by the process of preparing a fish. A lot of people love to eat them, but preparing a fish can be scary. So show me what to do.
So first thing, you need a good fillet knife, which I brought it here, and then you need one squeezer so you can take the bones out.
All right.
And then first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna clean the scales. So it's super easy to do that. You just do that way.
All right, and the scales are just popping off.
Popping out, yeah.
And so you can eat the skin, but not the scales.
Not the scales. We can get as much we can. And then for the next one.
All right.
You can wash them if you like. It can be a little messy. Then you just cut it from the ends down.
So what are you doing now?
You're just cutting that fish on inside the bone.
And you can just feel how deep to go?
Yep. Same way you can do.
And before you did this, you had already gutted the fish, right?
Yes. And then you can save this. You don't throw away.
All right.
Yeah.
That's still something you can use.
Yeah. So you can just feel it, all the bones right here. Excuse it.
All right.
Yeah, that's the fillet fish.
Wonderful. Simple and easy?
Yep.
And you're all ready?
Yeah, all ready to go.
Great.
Yeah.
What are we going to make?
Today we're gonna make trout with some potatoes, rainbow carrots, and some fish broth.
Oh,
it's a very
wonderful.
simple food, but everybody can make it.
Yeah, so rainbow trout and rainbow carrots. I love that. Yeah. All right, what do we do?
I'm gonna put some olive oil on that, and then when it's gonna heat it up, so I'm gonna put the fish, some salt, some pepper, and some turmeric.
All right, and so this is bringing a little bit of your Bangladeshi background to this beautiful rainbow trout.
Yeah, in Bangladesh, people use a lot of fish, always eat fish. Every meal pretty much has a fish. So my mom will usually do like chili powder and turmeric, but chili powder kind of spicy, so I'm just replacing with
Salt and pepper.
salt and pepper. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So, gonna just rub it. And other way, some salt, some pepper, turmeric. Just rub it both sides. And then you're gonna turn the pan.
All right, you want to sear this on both sides. How do you know when it's ready?
I want to have some crispy skin. So, with the fish spatula, just try to look it up a little bit.
All right, you just check it out.
Check it out. Usually takes around like 4 to 5 minutes to do that. And then just shake it a little bit.
All right, and you like your pan to be medium hot.
Yes,
All right.
medium hot.
All right, you've checked, you're looking for the skin side to be kind of golden brown, but also there's a little more structure to the fish now. So you can even see changes on this side, right?
Yes, yep, you can see that almost they're cooking on the side of the fish.
All right.
So now we can flip that.
Beautiful.
Look at that nice and crispy
Yeah.
skin, yeah.
so our fish is done.
This is done. And then we're gonna use a cast iron. Then we're gonna bake all the ingredients we have.
All right.
Yeah, so we're gonna use some of our beautiful purple potatoes.
All right, and these purple potatoes are already blanched before you put them in. Okay, so they're a little bit soft.
A bit soft. We cooked it for, I would say, like 10 minutes
Okay.
in the boiling water. And then a few of them there. Same way we did the carrots.
All right, and so they're already pre-cooked, but you'll roast them and give them a wonderful flavor with the fish.
Fish. And then you just want to put a little bit of salt and a little bit of peppers. And then a little bit of butter. And then some of the fish stock we have.
And the fish stock you made with the leftover parts of the trout. So after you filleted it, you kept the rest of the fish and turned it into fish stock. How did you do that?
So all the bones on the head, I put some water, onion, garlic, bay leaves, carrots, and then just boil it for like, I would say half an hour, 45 minutes.
Okay.
Because fish's bone is kind of very thin bones. It's very fast to make that.
Nice. And a great way to use every part of the fish.
Yeah.
That's wonderful.
Wonderful. And now I'm gonna put that fish.
If you don't have fish stock, what would you use in its place?
You can use some chicken stocks, you can use some water, or you can use the veggie stock, anything liquid.
Oh, look at that. And the turmeric just gives it that beautiful yellow color.
Yeah.
What a beautiful dish. All right, and it goes in the oven?
Yep.
For how long?
So I would say like 15 minutes, just to get to heat it back up, because all the fish is already cooked, the potatoes already cooked, so just heat back up. Nice and hot, yeah.
At 350 degrees.
350 degrees, yeah.
Great. Let's put it in the oven. Well, that looks beautiful. Golden brown. It smells amazing. And you would serve it just
like this, yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And I know, of course, rainbow trout is a wonderful Iowa ingredient, but you could use another kind of fish in this as well?
Yep, you can use any kind of fish, salmon, cod, any kind of fish you can eat.
All right, so it's a very flexible dish. And then you would dress it up with a little bit of lemon juice?
Just lemon juice. That's it. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Chef Suman, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, we've got another rainbow trout fillet. What are you going to make with that?
So now this one's, I'm gonna make some kind of sandwich. So I'm gonna just put salt, pepper,
Okay.
on that, and then get some cornmeal.
Oh, cornmeal.
Cornmeal, just get some crispy stuff. Same way I'm gonna do the other side.
All right.
Salt, pepper. This is from Early Morning Harvest. They made their own cornmeal.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Iowa corn.
Iowa corn.
Love it.
Yeah. And then. Okay.
So how long do you want this to cook on the first side?
First, I don't know, like 4 to 5 minutes, and get it nice and crispy.
All right, so you'll check to see if the skin is crispy.
And then you just flip the fish after that.
All right, and then just a couple minutes after that, it'll be done. So simple. Ready to flip. This is such a nice thick fillet.
Thick fillet, yeah.
That's great. How long will this side take, do you think?
Yeah, like 4 minutes.
About 4 minutes?
About
Okay.
4 minutes, yeah.
All right, this looks done.
Yeah, it looks
Smells
done.
wonderful.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
That's such a simple breading procedure, too.
Yeah. Just take it
so
out,
great.
put it on the cutting board, and roast it for another like 5 minutes.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make it wrap.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So you have naan bread that you're going to use for your wrap. You could use anything for this, but
you can use
naan
anything.
is delicious.
Right, yeah. This naan we make in-house. It's from the flour from Iowa, it's from Early Morning Harvest.
Oh, wonderful.
Salt, pepper, and that's it, the olive oil. So we're gonna use the same pan.
Okay.
Then put it up
You
there.
want to turn the heat back on?
Yeah.
All right.
And then we're gonna heat it up. I would say maybe like minute each side.
Okay.
And then we're gonna be ready to plate up.
Great.
And then just flip it for another minute, and then we should be ready to go. Okay. Then you can cut the fish.
All right, and just a rough chop there.
Yeah, rough
And
chop.
it's so tender. Look, it just falls apart. That's fantastic. But this is something, we made a fresh fillet for this, but you wouldn't have to. This is a great way to reuse
Yep.
something if you have leftover fish,
Yep.
right?
Any kind of leftover fish, you can just put it on that. Yeah.
Wonderful.
And then you're gonna use some tomatoes, some microgreens,
All right, and these are daikon radish sprouts. So they give you texture, a nice sharp flavor.
Yep.
Delicious.
And then just a little bit of mayonnaise and salt, pepper, lemon juice.
All right, so an aioli.
Aioli.
Mixture, nice.
Then a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And then at the end, just finish up with some lemon juice.
That always makes it brighter and better, doesn't it?
Yep.
Chef Suman, thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for having me.